Second question we got today is I'm so lonely, living my life like a robot. I have nobody to talk to anymore. Every Friday or Saturday, I desperately message everyone who could possibly want to spend time with me, and I only get turned down by everyone, around 20 people, every weekend. They all have their own justified reasons that I haven't had a conversation I've enjoyed in about 3 months now. I've told them how I feel and thought this isn't their problem, which is understandable. The thing is, I still see them making time for other people. Okay, I'm gonna stop reading that question because these type of questions really hurt my soul. Is that I do not understand how we live in a digital age where we have billions of people online and millions of people are walking around on this planet that have zero friends, nobody to talk to, nobody that can listen to their problems. I don't understand what is going on this planet, that we have people who are at rock bottom and nobody is going to pick them up. What I don't understand personally is that people, when they reach out to somebody and through that other person's arrogance, they do not respond. When that person is crying out for help, those are the type of people that I cannot live with, I cannot agree with. When somebody is in a state of misery, I don't care what your excuse is, you need to be able to make time for them, because I'm talking through my own experience. When something bad, when something terrible happens to them, I don't want to hear anyone say, oh, I wish I could have done something, because you had several opportunities to reach out to that person. When somebody throws out a lifeline, when somebody throws out a distress signal, it is up to you as a decent human being just to hear them out. It almost befuddles me how many people on this planet have the arrogance to turn down people who are screaming for help because they make up their own excuses due to their own ego, their inflated ego. When I hear questions like this, I pray that something bad does not happen to this person. I pray that they realize that they are so much more powerful than they are, that they are good enough, they are beautiful, they are confident, they have self-worth. I pray that they have all of those things, because what is happening in society is that you have this phone, right? Because you can connect with millions of people on Instagram, TikTok, but when you actually turn it on, you realize that you can't connect with a soul, and that destroys somebody. So what I want you to do is I want you to realize that not only you are special, not only you are powerful, but you're good enough. Like, so many people are straight up, they're just good enough people, but they cannot find a community for them to be a part of. And let me say this point. I made a Discord. I don't really know how Discord works, but I want to be able to build a community of people who feel just like this, where they have a community where they can feel accepted, happy, welcome, because I don't see it anywhere. I don't see a community anywhere that does that for people. Because if that was the case, you wouldn't see cases like this all over the place. But what do we see? We see exclusivity happening within social media, where you have these certain groups, and if you don't fit in, it's just like high school all over again. It's disgusting that I have to talk about things like this, because I know that this person is hurting inside so badly, and I want to help them. I want to be that person. Anybody listening to this who does not have friends, you know you can reach out to me and I will respond. I'm not one of those people who will not respond to my DMs. If you DM me with a question, with a comment, whatever it is, I will respond to it. Because I've been there. I've lived on that side. It's not a good side to live on. But what I want you to realize again, I'm going to say this a lot during this question, because I need you to realize that you are good enough. You're beautiful. You have passion. You have a gem inside of you. Do not let the world, do not let this social media crush your dreams, crush your soul, crush your essence, crush who you truly are. You are so much more powerful than you think. It's insane how hurt some people are and how people are oblivious to it because they make up their own excuses in their head.